Have you ever pondered the diverse salary scales across varying job roles within an organization? I'm thrilled to announce the completion of my internship project at CognoRise InfoTech, where I've had the incredible opportunity to create a dynamic Power BI dashboard focusing on employee salaries across different job roles. Here's a glimpse of what I've accomplished in this project. Utilized cards to display key metrics such as total company's location, total job titles, and the sum of salaries. Implemented slicers for filtering data based on experience level, company size, company location, and year, enhancing user interactivity and insight exploration. Introduced a visually appealing donut chart to visualize company size distribution by employee count, providing a quick overview of organizational structures. Curated a top 15 job title by average salary section to highlight the most lucrative roles within the dataset. Developed a comprehensive graph showcasing average salary trends alongside employee count by job title, offering insights into both compensation and workforce distribution. Integrated a map visualization to depict average salary variations across different company locations, enabling geographical analysis. This project has been a fantastic opportunity for me to apply my skills in data visualization, analytics, and storytelling, providing actionable insights for decision makers. Stay tuned for more insights and projects to come.